Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Based on specific inputs received from NCB Goa, our RPF Madgaon and along with NCB, they conducted a search raid on this Goa Express, which comes from Delhi. It reaches in the morning. So this search was conducted today morning, and one person was apprehended with 4.3 kgs of ganja, then 2 pistols with 18 live rounds. Then he was handed over to his name is Mr. Thanaram, resident of Barmer, Rajasthan. The accused has been handed over to NCB after proper seizure and Panchanama report. Then, since this pistol and some live rounds were seized, the Goa police have also swung into action, and they will be registering a case.